card. Alright, look at it real close. And remember it. Oh, you got two? Well, yeah, show them to me. Alright, let's try this again. Pick a card. Alright, don't show it to me. Show it to Mama.
Here, show it to the camera. Alright. We see what it is.
Alright. Give it here and I'll put it on the bottom of the deck. Now, I'll shuffle the deck. Just shuffle it up good. You shuffle it. Pick up a piece. Pick up a big hunk of it. No, a big hunk of the deck. Pick up a lot of the deck. Now shuffle it. Mix it like Daddy did. Okay, don't worry about it. I'll shuffle it some more. Now, ready? Alright. What do you think? Oh, you're trying not to let me read your mind. I'm gonna get it though. I'm gonna figure you out. This card? No.
It was one.
It was one.
Yeah.
It was the two.
It was. I knew I was reading your mind right.
Yeah.
You tried to trick me. You silly girl.
Again.
Again?
Yeah.
Alright, one more time.